Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat if it is just logging you out without any reason. So first of all you have to do is open your settings and go to your apps or your applications and search in Snapchat on the search bar. Now open your Snapchat on the settings and go to storage. Now, as you can see in the bottom screen, clear data, click on it and click on clear cache and hit OK. Now, your Snapchat won't log you out without any reason. Now, open your Snapchat and log in if you are logged out now, and you can use your Snapchat without any problems. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.